What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple automation that generates SEO optimized titles and descriptions for your YouTube videos. So let's get started. On your table, I've created a base that I've renamed to YouTube channel base and a table that I've renamed to YouTube channel table. This is the table that we're going to add our video topic and the titles and description that our automation is going to generate for us for YouTube videos. So here is our video topic, and here you'll see the SEO optimized YouTube titles that automation will generate for us. Below you'll see the YouTube video description that automation will generate for us. So we're going to create a simple automation that generates for us these SEO optimized titles and descriptions for our YouTube videos. And we're going to store the YouTube titles and YouTube descriptions right here on your table. To create automation on Make, I've created a scenario that I've renamed to YouTube video title and description optimizer. Here, we're going to trigger automation by filling out our YouTube video topic on Typeform. On Typeform, I've created a form that I've renamed to YouTube video and description generator form. So this is the form that we're going to fill in on what our YouTube video is about. So in our scenario here, I'm going to search for Typeform and click on the watch response module. Here you can see we have two watch responses modules, one with acid, the other one with instant and acid. The difference between the two modules is that the one with acid only, you'll choose when you like to trigger this module, but the one with instant only, it instantly triggers after you've submitted the form. So since I would like to choose when I would like to trigger our module, I'm going to choose the one with acid only. You'll need to create a connection between your Typeform and Make by clicking on Add, and here rename your connection and click on Save. On the new window that pops up, choose the account that you'd like to connect to Make. By choosing your account, your connection will be created. Here I'm going to limit it to one and choose our form. I'm going to choose the YouTube title and description generator form. And then here I'm going to click on Save. You can see it's asking me to choose where I would like to start. You can choose to start from now, since the specific date, or I'll choose manually. I'm going to choose to start from now and click on Save. On our form on Typeform, I'm going to click on Share. Then here I'm going to copy the link to our form and open the link on a new tab here. I'm going to fill out our form. So to fill out our form, I'm going to click on Start. Here we're going to add what our video is about. Our video could be about the biggest AI automation myths that are wasting your time. This will be our video topic. I'll click on Submit. Then on Make, I'm going to run our module. See if we've captured our topic. You can see we captured our topic over here. We can proceed to add it to our Airtable. Here on this column, I'll search for Airtable and click on Create a Record. I'm going to choose our base, choose YouTube channel base. I'm going to choose our table, choose YouTube channel table. And here we're going to add our YouTube video topic from Typeform. And after we've generated our title and description, we're going to update our record later on. But for now, I'm going to click on Save. Here I'm going to choose to start from our previous submission. Choose this submission right here and click on Save and run automation. You can see we added our YouTube video topic to Airtable over here. Now let us start by generating our YouTube video titles. To do that, we're going to use an AI tool. You can choose to use Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. In our case, I'm going to use Gemini. And then here I'm going to click on Create a Completion. Now, you also need to create a connection between your Gemini and Make. To do that, just click on Add and add your API key right here. To get your API key, just open this link on a new tab. You'll get your API key that you'll add over here. Since I already created my connection, I'm going to close this. And for the model, we're going to choose Gemini 2.0 Flash. It's a current latest model. Here, I'm going to add an item. And then here, we're going to zero the model role. As a type, I'm going to choose text. And here, we're going to add a prompt for the model role. The prompt for the model role could be on the lines of, you're an expert YouTube title generator, specializing in creating catchy, hooking, and SEO-optimized video titles. Here, I'm going to add another item, choose a role for the user. And then here, I'm going to choose a message type as text. And here, add the prompt for the user role. The prompt for the user role could be on the lines of, your task is to generate 5 highly engaging YouTube video titles based on the provided video topic while following the successful structure of my past high-ranking titles. To refer video titles from my channel, search for Lax Automation. So we're telling this AI to take a look at my high-ranking videos on my channel. Here's a video description of the video topic. We're going to add the video topic right here. And then we're going to give it a few instructions. Generate new titles based on video description only or the video topic only. Use the provided video description as the sole source of content. So we say this video description, you can just choose to replace it with a topic. So use the provided video topic as the sole source of content. Ensure the titles are SEO optimized, emotionally compelling, and click-worthy. Do not copy, modify, or reuse past video titles in any way. Output should be exactly 5 titles based on the description, no explanation, summaries, or extra text. And then here we are giving it an output format example. We're going to outline the first title as the first engaging SEO-friendly title, the second variation of the title, that option, fourth compelling title, and final strong title here. And here I'm going to click on save. And here I rename this to video title generator. And then click on OK. Now to generate our video titles using this module, I'm not going to fill in our form again. Instead, I'm going to choose our previous submission. I'm going to choose our previous submission, which is the submission, and click on save, then run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. Now here on the results, you can see our SEO optimized titles from our video topic, which was this topic right here. The biggest AI automation myths that are wasting your time. You can see here that are the YouTube titles that our automation generated for us. The first one is AI automation scams. Do not fall for these myths. Wow, that's amazing. Stop believing these AI lies. Automation myths debunked. The truth about AI automation, what they don't want you to know. AI automation is a lie, exposing the biggest myths. Wasting time and money. The AI automation myths you need to avoid. So these are all incredible YouTube video titles you can add to your videos. So now that it's generating our YouTube video titles, we can duplicate this module to generate our video descriptions. So here I'll rename this to video description generator. Then click on OK. For the AI model, we're going to choose Gemini 2.0 Flush. It's the latest model that we're using currently. For the model role, the prompt could be on the lines of, you're an expert YouTube video description generator, specializing in creating catchy, hooking, and SEO-optimized video descriptions. For the role of the user, the prompt could be on the lines of, your task is to generate a detailed, engaging, and SEO-optimized video description based only on the provided video topic. To ensure the description is optimized for search and viewer engagement, follow these guidelines. And here we are adding a couple of instructions where we're telling it to expand and enhance the video topic, use the provided video topic as a sole source of content, transform it into a well-structured, engaging, and informative description, ensure it clearly communicates what the video is about and why viewers should watch it. Now, to optimize it for SEO, include relevant keywords naturally to improve discoverability, use hooks to capture attention in the first 2 lines, keep paragraphs short and scannable for better readability, encourage engagement, add a call to action prompting to like, comment, and subscribe. If applicable, suggest watching related videos or checking out resources. And here we're going to include our video topic and our output format where we're telling it output only this SEO optimized video description about our topic. Then here I'm going to click on save. Now to generate our video description, I'm going to choose our previous submission. Instead of filling out our form again, and then click on save and run automation again. So here our topic was the biggest AI automation myths that are wasting your time. We went ahead and generated our video titles over here. Then on this module, we generated YouTube video description over here. This is amazing. The first line of our description is, tired of AI automation hype that doesn't deliver. We are busting the biggest myths holding you back from real results. And then going into details about the video and what we'll cover over here. Then we are also including hashtags. We're also adding related videos. That's an incredible video description that our automation is generating for us. We can go ahead and update our record with the title and the description that we just generated. To do that, here I'll search for your table and click on updated record module. Here we're going to choose our base, which is your YouTube channel base. I'm going to choose our table, which is YouTube channel table. For the record ID, we're going to add our ID over here. We're going to add our titles over here and our descriptions over here, and click on save. After we've updated our record with the title and the description that we just generated, we can also send ourselves a notification either via email or Slack, notifying us that the video description and the titles have been generated. In our case, I'll choose Slack. Then on Slack, I'm going to click on create a message. Now, I've renamed our Slack module to Slack notification. Like we did with the module, you also need to create a connection between your Slack account and Make. For the connection type, choose Slack user, and here rename your connection and click on save. Then in the new window that pops up, choose the account that you like to connect to Make. After choosing the account, your connection will be created. Here we'll select our channel from the list. So select this channel type, and then choose the channel that either you or your team is in, right here. And then you can send this notification to your team or yourself. The notification could be on the lines of great news. Your YouTube video titles and descriptions have been successfully generated. Now it's time to review and refine them before publishing. Next step, review the suggested titles. Are they engaging, click-worthy, and aligned with your brand? Check the video description. Does it clearly explain your content, include key SEO terms, and have a strong call to action? Make any necessary edits to enhance clarity, impact, and audience appeal. For finalize and publish when you're happy with your results, then I'm going to click on OK. Now to generate a title from our topic and description and add the title and description to our Airtable and notify ourselves via Slack, I'm going to choose our previous submission. Choose the submission right here and click on save, then run automation. Over here, you can see our topic was this topic. Over here, the best AI automation means that are wasting your time. So we created a record on your table. We generated 5 SEO optimized titles related to our topic. We also generated a very long video description related to our topic over here. Then we updated our tables with the title and the description over here. So we can delete this previous record over here. This is our video topic, and these are the titles right here that we just added on our YouTube title column. And this is the YouTube video description that we just generated. Now to view, I'll expand this. This is our topic, and these are the YouTube video titles that we just generated. And this is the video description over here. So you can come and make any changes over here. If you're not so pleased, you can run automation again to generate new titles and descriptions over here. Yeah, we can also generate new video titles and descriptions for a different video topic. To do that here, I'm going to choose to start from now instead of our previous submission and click on save. Then on our form, I'm going to click on start and add what our video topic is about. Our topic could be how to make money with automated clients follow-ups. So this is our video topic. And here I'm going to click on submit. And then on automation, I'll click on run once. Yeah, you can see we got captured our topic right here, which was how to make money with automated client follow-ups. Here we created a new record with our topic. Then we went ahead and generated 5 SEO optimized titles related to our topic that we just submitted right here on Typeform. The first title is on the lines of client follow-up on autopilot, make money while you sleep. Second one is automated follow-up is equal to explosive sales, the ultimate guide. The third title is stop chasing clients, how to automate follow-ups and get paid. The fourth one is client follow-up hacks and double your income with automation. The last one is the lazy person's guide to client follow-up, automated profits. This is awesome. And then for the video description, you can see the long video description that is generated for us over here related to our topic. It's also including what you learn over here, adding also hashtags and related videos over here. Then updating our record with the titles and description and notifying ourselves via Slack that the new description and title has been generated using this message over here. When we open our Airtable, you can see our topic that we added over here, the title and the description that is generated for us from our topic. So if I expand this, you'll see this is our video topic, and these are the SEO optimized YouTube titles and description that we generated using our automation over here. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create using make.com, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.